A company that I had my eye on probably early to mid-December, SEALSQ, or their ticker symbol LAES. Switzerland-based SEALSQ. Again, I had my eye on this in December. It was less than $1 a share, $2, and then it went up. Then it spiked up as more confidence grew with this company. But it's pulled back recently. I didn't make the decision to buy back then, but I have this week, and I've initiated a position in SEALSQ. Why? Well, a company, again, Geneva-based, Switzerland-based SEALSQ, hardware and software solutions, secured chips for microcontrollers in a post-quantum world is their tagline. A small European-based semiconductor and a security company, but they have aspirations to grow very rapidly, and they're making a lot of moves. So you do your own due diligence, check out all of the articles and activity that you see with SEALSQ, but know that they are establishing themselves as a leader in the post-quantum world with security solutions. They've got the chips that are secure. In fact, they have developed certified and secure microcontrollers, and then also have implemented the encryption necessary to keep that secure. So the world grows more and more tethered and bound with between places. This is what you're looking for in a company and for a service, to be able to keep your security, but yet have all that fantastic technology and able to do things that you need to do in your company. Here's some unique events, though. Besides the fact that they manufacture their own product, they design it, develop it in-house. They've got this tie-in with a sister company, WISEKey, which focuses a little bit separate, a little bit differently. But they IPO'd separate from WISEKey in May of 2023. The IPO price, it came public at $12 a share and a little over $4 now. That presents quite an opportunity, especially in that year and a half since it IPO'd. A lot of things have happened, and growth is right at the cusp of occurring for SEALSQ. So why am I excited about that? They did a series of cash raises recently in December. They raised over $60 million in cash. They've come out with that their year-end cash position is greater than $85 million. That's a lot of room for growth. They took advantage of their soaring stock price due to the quantum phenomena that we've become familiar with lots of other companies, including IonQ, Rigetti, D-Wave, and others. Took advantage of that, raised a lot of cash. Their cash needs are secured, but they also have a 2025 product cycle that is expected to be huge for them. The tangible market, of course, for this market is expected to grow quite rapidly, and stunning developments are on the way. And with 130 plus patents for SEALSQ, this puts them in quite a position to have a fantastic future. Let's take a little closer look at some of the stock fundamentals and make sure that jives with what we're seeing from the readings of SEALSQ. So with a market cap of SEALSQ, it's sitting at about $420 million, still a very small market cap company. A price per share of $4.24 as of this reading time sits kind of squarely in the middle of where they've traded recently. Of course, with a basically 30 cents to $11 range in the past year, it's had a lot of volatility. However, things appear to have turned the corner for SEALSQ. They've raised a lot of cash. So ignoring recent price performance, the price has actually come down recently to a little bit more affordable range from the recent nosebleed area that they have. It's down significantly since their IPO time of just May of 2023. Performance is what you would expect from a company of this newness to come out. They've solved the cash and liquidity issue, which was a little bit of an impediment for me. Now that they're sitting on $85 million in cash, and they're on the cusp of their 2025 goal, which is a highly anticipated launch of new quantum-resistant secure chips, which will be produced and shipped in 2025. Exciting times are on the way, and this stock could easily build quite a bit of momentum as 2025 moves on for us. So from my perspective, if you take a look at where this company is at in its evolution, European-based, now moving throughout the world actually, manufacture and develop their own products. They have security tie-ins, so both the hardware and software solutions, the encryption, they've got a lot of things going for them. And with $30 million of revenue logged for 2023, I think 2024 will probably be about that, but then the new product cycle is expected to really ramp things up. SEALSQ could be that uncovered, low-priced gem to bolster your and my portfolio together. And that's why I initiated a position in SEALSQ, and I'll continue buying as I understand the company more and more, and look for any kind of dips to capitalize on that, much like Cooler and other companies that we've profiled recently. This one I think SEALSQ could go substantially higher if the product cycle hits the way we think it could. I think it's an easy double to triple from here. And over the next several years, I personally think this company can go 10 times where it's currently at a $420 million market cap and sales revenue expected to rev substantially higher over the coming year and into the years to come as more things are being developed. This is one of those undiscovered, lesser talked about, lesser known gems to capitalize on and put in your portfolio. Take a closer look. Let me know what you're doing. But SEALSQ, it's in my portfolio, and it's going to continue to have a larger spot in my portfolio as I'm looking to capitalize on this explosive growth in the secure chip sector, and then the encryption and security that goes with that. Take a look see what some of their recent headlines are. See if you agree with me. Let me know in the comments. We'll talk with you soon.